Hey all, went to the dealership to get a recall for emissions done on my 2014 Mazda 3 Touring, and I happened to be there. It's under warranty. It's like 4,000 miles, about a little bit over a year old, or less than a year old. But anyway, and part of my console, right? Sorry, it's not bright enough, but let me get you some contrast. Some garbage over here. See that piece right there? It's broken. It latches onto this spot right here, and got the handle to come in. This is the handle that I'm replacing. It goes right here, and see, this is the part that's not broken. Okay. They're gonna charge me something crazy like $300 because they said they have to replace this entire console, or at least the lid. I'd take off the hinge and the lid. So I did a little bit more research and figured I'd share this with you guys. This is already removed, so but basically you take plastic pry piece and go. Oh geez, I need more light. There we go. In between this rubberized leather part and the plastic part. Okay, and mainly off here to the side, and sort of just pry the rubber part open. What that'll do is it'll actually release this whole plastic part of the console that's held in place by these plastic holes, as you can see here, and they go into these hooks on the lid. So that's where the prying part comes in. It's fairly easy to remove once you get a pry piece there. Try to use something like mine, because it's plastic and it won't really cause that much damage on the finish. That's your stuff. But once that's off, here's the piece that's holding the latch in place. Right. You can see some of that. Actually, here's a new piece. Mazda dealers sell this piece for about $5, and plus shipping. So if you got other parts you're gonna buy for your Mazda, you might want to pick it up at the same time. Or I went on an auction site and picked that up on auction, and it was, I believe, $11 because of well, it was free shipping, and it was obviously more for the piece, but that included, it was less overall shipped. So few pieces here. It's just a pin, so I'm gonna push that out in a few minutes, put the new one in, and should be literally good as new. Okay. I just wanted to share this with you guys. If you have the same problem with the latch on your 2014 or 2015 Mazda 3 console, all right, have a good one.